Aloha, I'm Senator Mazie Hirono from Hawaii. We're in Las Vegas at the APALA convention, and I was one of the keynote speakers. I came here primarily because I want to thank APALA for their advocacy and leadership on supporting workers, supporting unions, and particularly right now on their leadership on comprehensive immigration reform. I saw a generation of leaders in the union labor movement, and what was also great from my perspective as we work on immigration reform were all the dreamers who were here who just want to have a chance. These are undocumented young people who just want to have a chance to pursue the American dream. And the call to action is that since the Senate did vote on an immigration bill in a bipartisan way, not perfect, but it's a start. It's more than a start to help 11 million people come out of the shadows. It's now time for the House to act, and my call to action was really, let's get the members of the House on board for comprehensive, sane, humane immigration reform. I mainly wanted to focus on the need for comprehensive immigration reform because that will affect millions and millions of people in our country. And APALA was a big part of the debate on this issue in the Senate. They were very supportive of a number of my amendments that would enable more people, especially women, to immigrate to our country, and for dreamers to be able to have access to student loans. These are all really important issues, and the point is that immigration is an APALA issue. It's an APIA issue because so many people who are waiting to immigrate to our country are from the Asian countries, and a huge percentage of immigrants in our country are Asians, Asia Pacific Islanders. So immigration is an APIA issue, and we need to continue to push forward for a comprehensive resolution to our broken system.